Hello guys. We hope all is well with you today. We are back with a great video for you. But before we start, we need you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Now that's out the way. Let us get straight to it. Unless you have been living under a rock or in a tent in the mountains with no internet, you have heard of Pinterest. Many have probably heard of this platform but never really used it. I want to give you a quick overview. You have an exciting story to tell with images and videos, right? So what kind of visual story can you tell about your business that will help customers get to know you? Let's say you need to secure yourself as a specialist on your specific niche. Pinterest is a fabulous stage for content curation, and innovative companies use it for that reason. In case you consistently share content through tweets or Facebook posts, you can stretch out that correspondence to your Pinterest stage by utilizing pins and sheets as a social bookmarking tool. If you like this, then Pinterest would be a fantastic tool for you. It only takes a few moments to create your Pinterest business account. Once your account's set up, you can make online boards for different topics you're interested in, then add images and videos to your boards by pinning them. The interface is fast, quick, smooth, and very user-friendly. Tip number 1. Draw in with other Pinterest users. Tag other Pinterest clients in any pin by using username in your descriptions. You can utilize this strategy to engage with clients and industry sellers. Another idea is to routinely like others' pins when you want to recognize awesome content. Once more, this is a simple method for cooperating with different clients in an approachable and personal way. If you need help with tips or just marketing advice, hit the link below and sign up for your chance to partner with a 15-year marketing expert. Also get a free gift when signing up. Tip number 2. Become an information specialist for your niche. Your occupation on Pinterest is to assemble and show interesting content in your niche, and that makes you an authority. Being an authority means to gather, coordinate, and reveal things for your audience and displays in real time. Being a Pinterest marketer implies you pick the best pictures, then, at that point, arrange them in a compelling way that helps your target fans. Then, you carefully select the very best images identified with your subject and pin them to your sheets. What you want is individuals to ultimately look to you as the go-to hotspot for staggering pictures and content on your board. When that happens, you can count that they'll return to you, over and over, allowing opportunities to educate them concerning your blog or site. This is when monetization comes into play. This helps you with turning into a confided-in influencer that they'll be glad to purchase from. If you need help with images and content creation, hit the links below for more information. Hit the link now. Tip number 3. Feature user-generated content. Give your guest pinners some general content guidelines, then add them as collaborators on the board and set them loose to pin images and videos. You'll be astounded at what incredible content your visitor pinners make, and they will likewise be excited to stand out enough to be noticed for their Pinterest accounts. Tip number 4. Create boards for events you join in. You can arrange previously, during, and after live events and meetings. Before the event, you can create a board and stick blog entries regarding what discussions you'll join in and individuals you want to meet with. Make it a point to connect to their pin boards or online journals, as well. You can share photographs and recordings of meetings, moderators, and different participants. Then, at that point, after the occasion is finished, use some post-meeting pins to share your subsequent activities. Talk concerning what you want to achieve with the information you have acquired and individuals you associated with. All this is key into standing apart amongst the rest. We hope this video left you with a better understanding on how Pinterest works. Also how you can use this platform to make money. Don't forget to hit the marketing link below to get your free gift. We hope you gained tremendous value from watching this video. If so, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.